B1 to B2 Shopping Vocabulary 30 words. Department store. A large store with many sections. Example: we went to a department store to buy clothes. Boutique. A small, stylish shop. Example: this boutique sells beautiful jackets. Discount. A lower price than usual. Example: the shoes have a 20% discount. Bargain. Something good for a low price. Example: this bag is a real bargain. Price tag. The label that shows the price. Example: check the price tag first. Receipt. Paper or digital proof that you paid. Example: keep the receipt in case you need it later. Refund. Money you get back after returning something. Example: can I get a refund? Exchange. To change one item for another. Example: I want to exchange this shirt for a larger size. Return policy. Store rules about returning items. Example: what is your return policy? Warranty. A promise to repair or replace something. Example: this phone has a 2-year warranty. Customer service. Help for customers. Example: customer service can answer your question. Fitting room. A room where you try clothes on. Example: the fitting room is near the shoes. Checkout. The place where you pay. Example: let's go to the checkout. Self-checkout. A machine where you pay by yourself. Example: the self-checkout is faster today. Shopping cart. A cart you push while shopping. Example: our shopping cart is full. Aisle. A path between shelves. Example: the cereal is in aisle 5. In stock. Available to buy now. Example: is this jacket in stock? Out of stock. Not available now. Example: sorry, that size is out of stock. Quality. How good something is. Example: the quality of this coat is excellent. Brand. The company that makes a product. Example: I like this brand. Size chart. A guide that shows clothing sizes. Example: let's check the size chart. Try on. To wear clothes before buying them. Example: can I try on this jacket? Compare. To look at two things and decide which is better. Example: let's compare these two bags. Purchase. To buy something. Example: I want to purchase this laptop. Payment method. The way you pay. Example: what payment methods do you accept? Contactless payment. Paying by tapping a card or phone. Example: I used contactless payment. Loyalty card. A card that gives points or discounts. Example: do you have a loyalty card? Delivery. Bringing something to your home. Example: is delivery included? Shipping. Sending something by mail or courier. Example: shipping takes 3 days. Item. One thing you buy. Example: this item is on sale. B1 to B2 shopping. Real conversation. Speakers: Mia and Noah.
Noah, I need to do some shopping today, but I don't want to spend the whole day walking around the mall.
That sounds like a beautiful dream, Mia. Shopping always starts with just one thing and ends with 5 bags and tired feet.
Not today. I have a clear plan.
Famous last words.
I need a jacket, a pair of shoes, and maybe a small gift for my sister.
Maybe is dangerous in shopping English.
Why?
Because maybe means we will enter every boutique in the mall.
Okay, maybe you are right. But first, let's go to the department store.
Good idea. A department store has many sections, so we can compare more options.
Exactly. I want to compare prices, quality, and brands.
Look, there is a sign, 20% discount on jackets.
Nice. A discount is always a good start.
This black jacket looks good.
It does, but check the price tag.
Let me see. The original price is $80, but with the discount, it is $64.
Not bad, but I want to see the quality first.
The material feels strong. The stitching looks good too.
Yes, the quality is better than I expected.
What brand is it?
It is a brand I know. I bought a coat from them last year.
Did it last?
Yes, and I wore it all winter. That is why I trust the brand.
Then maybe this jacket is a bargain.
Maybe, but I need the right size.
What size do you usually wear?
Medium, but jackets can be different. Let's check the size chart.
The size chart says medium should fit you, but the sleeves may be a little long.
I should try it on.
The fitting room is over there.
Okay, wait here.
I will stand here like a professional shopping assistant.
Professional?
Yes, I give honest opinions and carry bags.
That is actually useful.
Thank you. I am finally respected.
Okay, what do you think?
It looks good. The color is simple and the fit is nice.
I like it too, but the sleeves are a little long.
Not too long. You can still wear it comfortably.
True. Is this jacket in stock in a smaller size?
Let's ask customer service.
Excuse me, is this jacket in stock in small?
The assistant says small is out of stock.
Then I'll keep the medium.
Good choice. It still looks good.
Now shoes.
Here we go. This is where shopping becomes serious.
Shoes are important.
I agree. Bad shoes can ruin your whole day.
Exactly. I want something comfortable, not just pretty.
These white sneakers look comfortable.
They do. What is the price?
The price tag says $45.
That is okay. Are they on sale?
No, but they look good quality.
Let me try them on.
Here is your size.
Thank you.
How do they feel?
Comfortable. But I want to compare them with the black pair.
Good idea. The black pair is cheaper.
Yes, but the white pair looks better with more clothes.
Then the white pair is more useful.
That is what I think too.
Sometimes the cheapest item is not the best bargain.
Exactly. A bargain means good value, not just low price.
That sounds like a shopping lesson and a life lesson.
Shopping teaches many things.
Mostly patience.
Now I need a small gift for my sister.
What does she like?
She likes notebooks, candles, and cute bags.
There is a boutique over there. It looks perfect for gifts.
Yes, let's go in.
This boutique is small but very stylish.
I like the atmosphere. Look at this candle.
Nice. Is it expensive?
$12.
Not bad.
And this notebook is $8.
You could buy both,
That is exactly how people spend more money than planned.
but it is for your sister.
That excuse is powerful.
Very powerful.
Okay, I'll buy the notebook and the candle.
Good choice. Now we have 3 items: the jacket, the shoes, and the gift.
Let's go to the checkout before I find something else.
Smart. The checkout line is short.
Great.
Do you want to use the self-checkout?
For clothes and gifts, I prefer a cashier. It is easier if there is a problem.
True. Also, you may need the receipt.
Yes, I always keep the receipt.
In case you need a refund or exchange?
Exactly. If the jacket does not feel right at home, I may exchange it.
Or return it.
Yes, but first I need to know the return policy.
Good point. Excuse me, what is the return policy for the jacket?
The cashier says we can return it within 30 days with the receipt.
That is fair.
And we can exchange it if another size becomes available.
Nice.
What payment methods do you accept?
They accept cash, card, and contactless payment.
I'll use contactless payment. It is faster.
Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, actually. I always forget it, but today I have it.
Amazing. Today is your shopping victory day.
The loyalty card gives me extra points.
Points are dangerous. They make you feel like spending money is winning.
I know, but I still like them.
Fair enough.
The cashier says the jacket has a 1-year warranty for manufacturing problems.
That is useful.
Yes, especially for expensive items.
Do you need delivery for anything?
No, I can carry everything.
What about online shopping? Sometimes shipping is free.
True, but today I wanted to see the items in person.
That makes sense. For clothes, trying them on is better.
Exactly. Online shopping is easy, but sizes can be tricky,
And then you need to return things.
which takes time.
So today was successful?
Yes, I bought what I needed, stayed close to my budget, and found a good discount.
And I carried only one bag.
You survived.
Barely.
Today's vocabulary was useful. Department store, boutique, discount, bargain, price tag, receipt, refund, exchange, return policy, warranty, customer service, fitting room, checkout, self-checkout, shopping cart, aisle, in stock, out of stock, quality, brand, size chart, try on, compare, purchase, payment method, contactless payment, loyalty card, delivery, shipping, and item.
Shopping English is not just about buying things. It is about asking questions, comparing options, understanding prices, and solving problems.
Exactly. When you know the right words, shopping becomes easier.
And when you have a clear plan, you don't buy 10 extra things.
Did I buy 10 extra things?
No, only 2.
That is progress.
Big progress.
B1 to B2 shopping repeat sentences. Now, repeat these sentences. We went to a department store to buy clothes. This boutique sells beautiful jackets. The shoes have a 20% discount. This bag is a real bargain. Check the price tag first. Keep the receipt in case you need it later. Can I get a refund? I want to exchange this shirt for a larger size. What is your return policy? This phone has a 2-year warranty. Customer service can answer your question. The fitting room is near the shoes. Let's go to the checkout. The self-checkout is faster today. Our shopping cart is full. The cereal is in aisle 5. Is this jacket in stock? Sorry, that size is out of stock. The quality of this coat is excellent. I like this brand. Let's check the size chart. Can I try on this jacket? Let's compare these 2 bags. I want to purchase this laptop. What payment methods do you accept? I used contactless payment. Do you have a loyalty card? Is delivery included? Shipping takes 3 days. This item is on sale. Excellent work. Repeat these sentences again. Shopping English becomes easier when you can ask questions, compare options, and solve problems.